So that big pile of wood sitting there can't be used. The rangers came through yesterday, a couple of them, to remind everybody that we're in stage 1 fire restrictions and no open flames, period. I asked about the forestry approved fire pit, and he said no, you can't use that with it. If you're in a state park where they maintain it, then you couldn't. But when you're on federal land out here like this, even though you're in a campground, no open flames, period. I can use a propane stove, anything that I can turn off, I can use. So, and it's likely to be like that for quite some time, until we get a couple of good rains. Monsoon usually hits somewhere around late July. So, there hasn't been any rain here for quite some time, according to the rangers. So it was a dry winter, and not a lot of snow. So I'm bored. I was getting ready to do a fireside coffee chat yesterday morning, and then I put it off. And then around 9 or 9:30, I guess they came through. So I guess it's a good thing I didn't do that. Finally, the winds have stopped. Just got a light breeze right now, and it's going to be like that all week, like this all week. And it's going to be warm in the daytime, in the mid 70s, I guess, and then the temperatures aren't going to be quite as cold. Be somewhere between 45 and 50 at night. So that's kind of a good thing, I guess. The rear end problem I was having with the leaky rear end, oil running out of it. It turns out that it was damaged. It's not the gasket on the back; it's the pinion seal, and that was damaged on installation. Pretty good damage too. It looks like he hit it with a hammer a couple of times. He was pounding on something. I didn't go look to see what he was pounding on, but it's obvious. Whatever it was he's pounding on, he missed and hit the seal, so kind of drove it in sideways. So I'm going to have to see about getting that fixed. I could probably do it, but I don't have the breaker bar, and all that stuff. I don't have the right tools. It's got some light, maintenance tools. But heavy stuff like that, I'm not going to be able to do that here. I'm going to have to take it somewhere, I guess. But that's not going to happen this month. I have to wait till next month or maybe the month after. We'll see. What else? I smelled smoke the day before yesterday. I couldn't see it, but it was pretty. I could smell it like it was, fairly close. That way, which would be west, I guess. And that's probably what prompted the fire people to come through. There was a tanker, water tanker that didn't come through here, but on the main road out there, I saw him go by, and then the marshal, I don't know what they're called, the fire marshal guy in his pickup was right behind him, and then shortly after that, I didn't smell the smoke anymore. So, first responders, I guess that's what you call them. So anyway, campsite's been pretty cool. Most everybody left. Oh, I don't know. There's one guy down the road there a ways. He insists on having a fire every night. He's probably, I don't know, maybe a couple of football fields away. I can see it plainly. You know, that thing I like to say, you know, only an idiot, that isn't the word that I use, but only an idiot would build a fire big enough for everybody to see. So, tent's holding up good. Bad thing about good, nice, warm weather is the flies start coming. So I've been chasing flies around in the tent. I have a habit of leaving the door open on it, and I gotta get out of that. So, but at least they sleep at night. They're not bothering me. Oh God, that was terrible. Sorry about that. Gasoline is $4.92 a gallon up here. And according to the guy at the store, he said it's probably going to go up again in a week or two, maybe 3. We'll see. But, you know, I guess the key right now is sit it out for as long as you can. You know, you got 14 days. Fill your tank up the first of the month. You got 14 days. And then you can move somewhere else. So you're not going to use a whole lot of fuel. You have to make sure you... Well, bird. Oh, you ought to have seen it yesterday. I tried to get it on a camera yesterday. I guess that there's a bird over there that's got a nest and a hole in the tree. She was doing everything she could to defend it. And probably 5 or 6 of them dive bombing her and all that stuff. She was flying all over the place trying to keep them away. So, but nobody around this morning. All the trees. I don't know if they got to her babies or what, but no birds around it. A couple of them don't like me. When I come out, they start hollering at me. Pretty good size. There's a couple of robins, I guess they were, sitting right up next to me almost, within 5 feet. And that's what I always say. If you just sit and be quiet, don't make a bunch of noise, you know, just sit and relax. Pretty soon, animals will start coming around. They're just as curious about you as you are them. So I've seen a couple of squirrels across the road over there, which that's the first time I've seen them since I've been here. So there's not going to be any big game in here. There's too many people around. So did I say the neighbors have left? Oh, except for the guy across the road. He was here when I got here, so I guess, you know, it's been, like I said, it's been pretty quiet. Guy came in to clean the bathroom. He comes in once a week. And I said, "Hi, how you doing?" He said, "I don't know yet." So, but I'm the only one that uses it, and then I guess the lady across the way there uses it once in a while. They've got a big motorhome. So, but I'm not going out there in the middle of the night, that's for sure. Not that I'm afraid, it's just, it's cold and I don't want to have to get up and get dressed and go out to the bathroom, you know. I'm just glad that I wasn't around when there wasn't inside bathrooms. You had to go to the potty house in the back. So that probably prompted the heated seat. Anyway. Okay, I guess that's it. I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.